Welcome back, everyone. So in the past videos I've gone over how the sequence of explanation activities and intuition activities affects learning for students with low, medium and high prior knowledge. So for students with low prior knowledge, it seemed that they benefited most from receiving intuition activities first. But when looking more closely, this was due to interference effects of switching from intuition to explanation activities being lower than the other way around. And in my mind, that puts a big question mark on whether students with low prior knowledge actually do benefit from the combination of explanation activities and intuition activities. If the costs of switching between these activities are so high for low prior knowledge students, it could be that they're better off working with only one type of activity or the other. Students with medium prior knowledge, on the other hand, benefited most from receiving explanation activities first. And this was because knowledge about what visual features mean helped them learn from subsequent intuition activities where they could learn to more quickly process these visuals. And then, students with high prior knowledge benefited most from receiving intuition activities first, and this was because intuitions about how to process the visuals quickly freed up cognitive capacity for explaining how the visuals show information in subsequent explanation activities. So apparently, for students who already knew a lot, it's important to learn perceptual intuitions that they can learn to put at the service of explaining concepts. So it's of course tempting to infer from these studies that there is a progression of students first going through a stage that corresponds to the low, then to the medium, then to the high prior knowledge students in my studies. But we can't really make that inference based on studies that only looked at students who happened to have these different levels of prior knowledge at the time when I did my studies. So really what we need to do is a more longitudinal study that looks at how these effects of sequencing explanation activities and intuition activities change as students progress from low to medium to high knowledge levels. And I recently completed such a study, so I'll share the results of that with you in the next video.